Welcome to Living Clean in the Country, and welcome back to Time Tuesday. Today is a FabFitFun unboxing. First in the box is this makeup eraser. You just add water and it removes your makeup. The best part is, it's reusable. Such a great idea. I can't wait to test it out. Next is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is a lightweight detangler that contains biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil, and will protect your hair from heat up to 450 degrees. Next, this Calm and Clean Epsom salt hand and body wash, which smells so nice, and it has a value of $39.95 on its own. Next is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' palette. These neutral colors look so nice and pigmented, and texture is very smooth. Can't wait to try them out, and its value is $38. Next is the Rodeo? Yeah. Next is the Rodeo Soft Focus Glow Drops. They're supposed to brighten your complexion and acts as a primer for your makeup. I'm really interested to see how this works. This color switch is really cool. You can just rub your brush on it and it will take off the color, so you can easily switch to a different color rather than changing your brushes. You can also remove it and wash it out easily, let it dry, put it back in, and you're good to go again. Very quick and simple. Exactly what everybody needs. Next are these PJ Salvage faux trim. Next are these PJ Salvage faux trim cable knit slippers. These are so soft and cozy. Yes, I am wearing them right now. And they're perfect to keep your toes warm and cozy this winter season. And they look really cute too. And last is this Rebecca Minkoff Marled Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. These are so soft and warm, and they're really cute too. I know I'll be wearing these a lot this winter season, and the even better part is, this set is $70. $70! The whole box costs $49.99 American. But the value is so much more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.